You're probably wondering why I'm wearing a jacket on stage. That's because it's new. It's a gift from YouTube. It's for Mother's Day, because I'm a mother. What they don't know is that I'm not really into it. The thing is, I'm too honest to be a mother, because sometimes my son makes me upset. I call him son of a bitch. I realize I'm the bitch here, so I have to apologize to myself. Do we have mothers in the room? Any mothers?
Yes.
How many children do you have? Why? Was the first one broken? I don't understand people who have more than one, especially in a first world country where you can afford toys. You know, in Africa we have more than one because we can't afford toys. So we have the one we want, and then the rest for him to have things to play with. So I'm a mother myself. Did it once, did it right, didn't need to do it again. But my son doesn't know that. He doesn't know that it's the only child I have. He thinks he has siblings that I left behind in Africa. So even on my phone, I save him as my favorite son. And it has helped me because when I came here, the only reason I brought him here was because I was allowed 2 suitcases as my luggage. So I put him in one and put the rest of my stuff. And when I came to this country, I didn't realize you guys go through a lot with your children. You even have social services, and here you can't even bribe the police. What kind of a country is this? Where you can't even bribe a police guy? Like, I find it too much to be a parent here. You have too many rules. When I first came here, 3 weeks of being here, I was called to a school. They told me, oh, you have to communicate with your child, you have to talk to your son. So now I find myself having conversations with him, asking him things like, where would you like to be buried? And now I have to tell him things like, your father left because you're ugly, and mommy drinks because you're dumb. But I'm really not into motherhood. I wish like they gave us a receipt and you could return them. But it has helped me not to tell him that he doesn't have siblings. Number one, because if he knows that he's the only child, then he knows if I die, he gets to inherit everything. So I have to watch my back in my own house. And also because of what children can get away with in this country, and he can't, because he knows that he's only lucky to be here because I left the others back in Africa. So every time when they play those BBC adverts with African children, I sit him next to me and make him watch and just say, look at Glory. Your sister. Just look at all those flies on her face. Just look at her drinking dirty water. If only she didn't talk back to me, she'd be here.